La 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 la. I'm so happy. Hi you guys, so let's start the video. So before going on to before starting the video, I'm going to show you what are all the products that I'm going to use on my base, and that is Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in the shade warm beige, and for concealer I'm going to use Elegol Pro Conceal in the shade pure beige, and these are the two products that I'm going to use. And for brows I'm going to use NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and quickly in a snap come back. And now that we are all done with the base routine, time for my favorite part, and that is eyeshadow. So for today I am going to use my first eyeshadow from this brand. Oh my god, I have always wanted one eyeshadow from this brand, and finally I have my hands on this, and I cannot believe myself, but I cannot believe it that I am holding these eyeshadows from this brand, and it's just too much emotions at one time. And to stall you any further, I am talking about my new ColourPop eyeshadow palette. So this is the Cloud Dye Vault. It contains 3 eyeshadows, and the basic theme of this whole idea behind this tie-dye vault is like so many colors. Like there are some color themes with the tie-dye. So but let's just look at the packaging for 1 second. Okay, the light is reflecting, but can you see the packaging? Oh my god, it is so amazing. So this is the outer packaging. Here are all the palettes. So when I push this, the palettes come out, and I'm going to show you what a cute packaging it is inside this outer packaging. Just a second. Okay, so this is the inner packaging. Look how cute. Like they have embossed stars and clouds and thunder. Like, can you see such amazing packaging? So this is the inner packaging, and just see what is, like, when I tell you like this is the cutest packaging I've ever seen in a makeup, it is the cutest packaging I have ever seen in a makeup. So yeah, this is how it opens. There are 3 palettes inside. This is the inner trans palette. We have Aura and Out and Miss Bliss. Can we just take a few moments of silence and just appreciate how cute this packaging is? Oh my god. So I'm going to show you all of the 3 palettes one by one. So this is the first palette from this vault, and this is the ColourPop Miss Bliss. According to the outer packaging, you can see that these are how the colors are. Can you see? Oh my god, like look at the colors in this palette. You have the mattes here, then shimmers, pinks and oranges and peach. I've always wanted a whole peach eyeshadow palette, and finally I got one. And it's travel friendly as well because you have such a small eyeshadow palette. Now the next one is Aura and Out, and this is how it looks. This has greens and blues and yellows and matte white eyeshadow, and they have these colors as well, which I love because if you don't want to play with colors, if we all know like colors is not an everyday game. You wear neutrals more, and colors is something like when you want to go extravagant or you want to match the dress that you're wearing. So even if you buy this palette, you'll be okay because you have these colors as well, which you can wear it on a daily day-to-day basis. Like I can wear these type of colors on a day-to-day basis. And I also love for the fact that they have put a matte white eyeshadow which is good for highlighting your inner corner and brow bone if you don't want to go for a shimmery inner icon in inner eye corner and your brow bone with a highlight. So I really love this one, and this blue, man, this is so amazing. And all of these palettes have mirrors, which I think is very, very good. And now for the last palette, which is my favorite out of the lot, and you'll know why. This is the Inner Trance palette. Look how amazing, and look at the colors. Oh my god, like, can you see the purples, the blues, the pinks here? Oh, like, this is my palette. This is my palette. Like, if you ask me to choose a colorful palette, I'll choose this because purple is my favorite color. Like, it is my favorite color. It has always been my favorite color since childhood. I have always loved purple and the variants of purple, violet, lavender, lilac, anything that is the shade or even matches to the tone of purple or violet, I'll pick that one out. It's always, a given. So out of these three palettes, I love all of them, but I am going to use one, and I'm going to have a dedicated review of all these three palettes in my new videos. But today I'm going to use one because I want to, do justice to all of these palettes and give them chance one by one and not use three palettes at once. So yeah, so in my last video, in the holy theme video, मैं already इतना colors के साथ play कर चुकी हूँ कि right now I want something, to be a little bit okay. Like, let's just come back to the neutral zone. Let's just come back to the neutral zone and play with something that I will actually wear on a daily, day-to-day basis. And for that, and because of that, I'm going to use the Miss Bliss palette here. Look at how amazing this color scheme looks like. See, this is the close-up version. I believe this is the ColourPop famous Super Shock eyeshadows. So the thing about this is that ColourPop has their own formulas for Super Shock eyeshadow, and these are like glitters in a pan, if you can see. So pretty. So these are glitters in a pan, which is like, they're famous for their Super Shock formulas. So let's see how this goes on my eyes. So let's start. Okay, so the ColourPop eyeshadows come with a mirror which is protected by a shield, and I wanted to take this off by myself, but this, like, am I the only one? When you peel a plastic off of a mirror, isn't it so satisfying? So I thought maybe I'll include all of you as well. So let's start peeling this mirror shield together. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the mirror is actually very, very good. Like, I can see all of my face, and it's not too much of a rectangular mirror, which comes with big eyeshadow palette, so you cannot handle it. But as you can see, it's really good. Oh, that's my recording device. So yeah, can you see? So amazing. So now for my transition shade, I'm going to use this one. This is the Intuitive eyeshadow. This is very, like, peachy orangey shade, which I am absolutely all for. And I'm going to take this shade on my PAC 104 brush and put it all over my lid. So this is the first time I'm actually trying ColourPop eyeshadow palettes, and let's see how this. So as you can see, this is a little bit lighter for Indian skin tone, so I can build this color up, but it is going to look like this, and I don't think it's going to look any much further than this. But however, this is a transition shade, so we are okay. That's what I would say. So yeah, I think for now this is okay for a transition shade, which this is like, it gives a little bit of peachy color but not so much. So again, this I'll do the same thing on my other eye. Okay, transition shade is done. So now I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush. This is Pro Art PE20, and I'm going to dip into this very orangish color, which is named as Optimist. Oh, nice name. All of these eyeshadow names are really good. So this is Off Quartz, then Intuitive, then we have Vow, then we have Loves It, Law of Attraction, Palo Santo, Chakra to Me, Optimist, and Vibrant Thing. Nice. I love how, you know, brands give a final touch with the names as well. Okay, so while I'm dipping into the shade Optimist, the pigment is really, first of all, awesome, but there's a little bit of fallout on the pan, which is okay. It's not something like which is too much alarming. So yeah, let's start. So I am going to take this, you know, very peachy color and focus it on my outer corner, and let's see if we like it too much, then we can, you know, just go over the all of the eye. So I'm just, you know, focus it on my outer corner and blend it out. I'm taking a little bit of that dark orangey shade all over my crease as well to blend the transition and the outer corner shadow. Okay, I really am loving this outer corner shade. It is definitely pigmented and it's looking really great as my outer corner shadow. So I'm going to deepen it just a further in my eye below the crease. Okay, so my eyes look like this right now, and now it's time to indulge into a little bit of shimmer. And for that, like, I have too many options in shimmer. I'm not even sure which one to pick. I am pretty sure that I'm going to use the Super Shock formula from Colourpop, but for shimmer, what do I put? Like, there are 3 options right here. I'm not even sure if you can see. Okay, so this and this, these 3 shadows are shimmer, and this one is looking too pretty. Let's try Palo Santo, which is this one. I'm going to take it on my finger and pray to God that please show up on my eye. Okay, like, I don't know if you have noticed, if you did notice. So this is the ring finger that I took the eyeshadow in. However, when I saw that there is so much of pigment in the shimmer, I had to blend it out with this, and just with one swipe. So basically this is just one swipe of eyeshadow from the palette. I'm happy. I just couldn't stop myself, man. I'm so happy. This is such a beautiful shimmer. Okay, a little did fall off under my eye, but then it's okay. The most amazing thing about this shimmer is that you can definitely build it up. Like, sometimes when I deal with shimmer shadows, like, if you have this much on your fingers and then you take more and then you try to build it up on your eye, it's not going to happen. Sometimes it doesn't with many formulas, but not with this, man. This is so amazing. I absolutely love this shimmer. You can wear this look in a wedding guest makeup look as well. Like, this is so amazing. If you have a floral design, a floral lehenga or salwar suit, I mean, you can definitely wear this. Trying to clean up just a little bit before using the Super Shock formula, and I'm going to take my first transition shade again, and just focus it here towards the brow bone so that everything looks very, very seamless. But this is looking really pretty great, huh? Now I understand why people are so madly in love with ColourPop eyeshadow formulas. मैं तो खुद यार इम्प्रेस हो गई, बहुत इम्प्रेस हो गई यार. कितना सही, लाइक खुद देखो ना, लाइक कितना सही है ये. Taking that dark orangey shade called Optimus in my outer corner and just focusing it here so that there's a clear, there's a distinction between the shimmer shade and the outer corner. Just a little bit. It's just called cleaning up. Let me see how this applies with a brush. I haven't used a setting spray. I'm just going to dip in with a dry brush and I'm going to just go over a little bit. I like it. So to continue the excitement, let's dive into the Super Shock formula, the law of attraction. This feels a little bit different. Like, it's sort of a marshmallowy jelly kind of feeling when I dip my fingers in this, and this is what it got. And it's just plain glitter, but it's so amazing. यार मैं सही बता रही हूँ, मेरे को ये PR नहीं मिलता. लाइक ये मैं खुद ही खरीदी हूँ एंड मेरे को इंडियन ब्रांड से PR नहीं मिलता. तो ColourPop तो अमेरिकन ब्रांड है, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स रियली गुड, really good. And also I got this from internationalmakeup.com. I'm so sorry, मैं इतना देर से भूल गई बोलना, but I got this from internationalmakeup.com and they deserve a shout out because of the swift delivery that they gave me, and it's amazing, and they are a trusted brand. So, and they sell international makeup from the international makeup brands, which you can't get it in India. So you can definitely check that site out. I will link it down. All of the products that I'm going to use today will be linked down in the description box below, so you can check that out. So now coming back with the Super Shock formula, let's see. मुझे कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत है? नो, तुम बताओ. ये देखो एंड तुम बताओ कि मुझे कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं है. This is so pretty. La 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 la. I'm so happy. And the amazing thing is कि ये गिरा नहीं. Like, this didn't fall out on my face. I was pretty careful while doing this, but still. Cleaning up just a bit here. Absolutely loving it. Do you know what this look needs? This look needs an eyeliner, which I'm going to do after. I love the Super Shock formula. It's still sticking without a glitter glue. I love it. 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 Amazing. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go with the shade Optimist, which we used it in a outer corner, and I'm going to use the same fluffy brush and pinch it like this, line my lower lash. Now taking a pencil brush like this, and I'm going to dip into this amazing shade called Woe. This is a glittery, yellowy, peachy color. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner with this and my brow bone. Okay, so we are done. Eyes are done. Eyeshadow is done. For liner, mascara and everything, I'm going to do off camera and come back. I have come back with my liner and mascara and everything. So now for blush, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal La Bara blush in the shade Be Fierce. This is a very good, coral blush, which I think is going to look pretty good with the eye look today. To match this goldeny vibe, I'm going to use K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz, and I'm going to highlight my high points of my face. Look how beautiful. Just a little bit here so that my cheeks would shine when I smile. Oh, I love this highlighter. Oh yeah. Okay, so now for lipstick, I'm going to use Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. But first I'm going to wipe up the lip balm. I'm going to take a little bit. The final look, and I love this look. I thought that even after after all the steps of makeup, I didn't think that the glitter formula would still stick on, but it's still there, the Super Shock formula. And should I just tell you that this type of eyeliner is really looking good on my eye, because I have almond shaped eyes, and if you have almond shaped eyes like me and hooded eyelids like me, then this type of eyeliner would really do the trick, like the cat eye or the feline eyeliner as they call it. So yeah, all in all, this look is looking pretty amazing. Coral tone, I live for coral tone and everything, and this lipstick is also complementing my whole makeup look, and the blush, the highlighter, but the eyeshadow was the hero of this whole video. Loved this eyeshadow. You can directly buy just one of this. You don't have to buy the whole vault, but if you want, you can. However, I should just tell you, like, this eyeshadow palette is what I'm going to use every day whenever I go out. It's amazing. It's actually amazing, and I love how I look right now. And I didn't use any bronzer today because I didn't want to. I just wanted to, look youthful and glowy and, just like this. And even if you have double chin and even if you have gained a little bit weight, it's okay. It's just, it's okay. You don't have to think about it so much. I have stopped thinking about it. I am going to lose it whenever I exercise or do something about it, but right now I'm going to enjoy where I am. So you should too. And ये आज का ज्ञान था, and bye. See you in my next one. Ta-da. And also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I come online on YouTube. And if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and share this video on my friends, and also follow me on my Instagram account, that is at It's Jasuri. I post so much of content there as well. So इतना तो कर दो यार. Bye.